Well, I did a search last night. Thank you for putting in that other video. That helped me uh, with this. This is the time right there, 10:20. It's about 10:27 that this actually happened. As I mentioned in the beginning of this thing. This is East 50th Street. Okay. Uh, and that's those lights in the background back there is Morabito, the trucking company. And I'm gonna go ahead and let this play forward. Uh, Somebody was right back there in that corner, which is I don't know, 65th and Fleet. This is I don't know, Fleet Avenue is back way back there. This is 50th, and somewhere back there, southeast of me, uh, you're gonna see that flash of light and the accompanying sound. Not here. I don't get sound on this thing. But go ahead and play it forward, Jerry. Uh, okay, it's going now. So watch it there. You're gonna see a big bright light. Um, oh boy, wait for it. uh, should be coming up any second now. You're gonna see that big bright light there. And let me step back a little bit more. Ready? See that? It happened there. Okay, so there you have it. That's all I got. I don't know. It could have been a transformer on a pole, like somebody else mentioned here, because they're short-lived explosions and bright like that. That was at 10:27 last night. Okay, see you. Bye. Thank you all for your input.